Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be doing a natural makeup routine. So as you can see, MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus Setting Spray. I really love the way it feels. It just makes my face feel refreshed and it really does set it for the rest of the day. I love the feeling. For highlight, I'm using the Coppin Ice Kilowatt Foil palette from Fenty Beauty. Sorry I didn't get to show you the color, but it was lovely. So I just put it on my cheekbones and the tip of my nose and a little bit on my upper lip. For lip liner, I'm using the Chestnut Lip Pencil from MAC. This is just to line my lip and give it a nice plump. So I just add it to the outer corners of my lips, like so. Finally, I'm going in with Photo lipstick from MAC. It's a sheer glow lipstick and I love the way it looks in the autumn winter time in the UK. It's really nice and brown and I just love the look that it gives me. So that is the final look. This is my natural pregnancy makeup routine. I know it was slightly rushed, but it has all my essentials in the video. You don't want to wear too much makeup when you're pregnant, especially at this stage where skin changes is real. But I really hope you enjoyed the video. Do like and subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. For now, bye!